Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Miss Crafty. Friends, in today's video we will learn all about spheres of the earth. So let's get started. So friends, when we talk about the topic spheres of the earth, the first question that we think of is what do we mean by spheres of the earth? So let's understand it. Everything in our earth system can be placed into one of four major subsystems: land, water, living things or air. These four subsystems are called spheres. Specifically, they are the lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. So now let us talk about the spheres of the earth. The earth consists of four spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Here we can see all the spheres: atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere. It is also known as geosphere and biosphere. Now let us understand what do we mean by lithosphere. It is the solid portion of the earth. Hydrosphere, surface of the earth covered with water. Atmosphere, the blanket of air. Biosphere, part of the earth where all three layers interact with each other and support life. Time to briefly talk about each sphere. So let's start with lithosphere. It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. What do we mean by crust? It is the uppermost layer of the interior of the earth. It is brown in color. The other two layers are mantle and core. The core can be further divided into two parts: inner core and outer core. Friends, if you want to know more about interior of the earth, do comment me. I will also make a video for that. Now let's proceed about lithosphere. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with a thin layer of soil. It has an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plains, valleys, plateaus, etc. It provides us with forest, grassland, land for agriculture and human use, and is a source of mineral wealth. Landforms are found over the continents and also on the ocean floors. Hydrosphere, the area covered by the water on Earth's surface, is called hydrosphere. It includes water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Now let us learn about an interesting fact. The Earth is also known as the blue planet, as looking through space it appears totally blue because 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Some people also call it as a blue marble. Atmosphere. It is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from harmful rays of the sun. It contains a number of gases, dust, and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere also produce changes in the weather and climate. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. Now let us talk about layers of the atmosphere. Troposphere. It extends up to 14.5 kilometers. Its purpose is almost weather changes here. Stratosphere extends up to 50 kilometers. This layer absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Mesosphere extends up to 85 kilometers. Meteors burn up in this layer. Thermosphere extends up to 600 kilometers. Aurora and satellites occur in this layer. Exosphere, it extends up to 10,000 kilometers. This is the upper limit of our atmosphere. Biosphere, it is the narrow zone of the earth where the land, air and water interact with each other and support life. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere. Now I hope we all have learned properly about the topic. It's time to test yourselves. It's quiz time. So friends, now I will ask you questions and do answer me in the comment box, and then you check your answers. So your first question is, name the parts of core. So the answer to this question is inner core and outer core. Your next question is, what is lithosphere made up of? And the lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. Next question is, how much percentage of the earth's surface is covered with water? So we know that 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Now let's proceed towards the next question. The earth is also known as, we all know this, the earth is also known as blue planet. And the last question is, how many layers atmosphere has? So the atmosphere consists of 5 layers. I hope you have answered all correct and we have learned properly about this topic. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.